everyone, this is Valentina. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am super excited to review an air conditioner by Costway. We are having a second floor in our house which we don't use, and we basically keep it as a guest room, but no guests are coming to our house, unfortunately. So this room basically stays empty. I use this room for shooting different scenes for my YouTube channel, and that's basically it. Well, at this room upstairs, we don't have the general AC as we are having an entire house. We are having a mini AC that was installed about 20 years ago. And yes, this unit is about 20 years old. And so I came to a conclusion at some point that, hey, we need to exchange, like to switch, to upgrade this old AC unit that we're having, make it stronger, making better, and then maybe we will find a use for this room. And when I did my research to find the best mini AC to replace the one we're having now, I found this Costway mini air conditioner, and I choose this to be at the 12,000 BTU with a 20 SEER2 on an 115 volt type of an electricity. And this is a ductless mini split air conditioner. So the unit we had before was 9,000 and this one is 12,000. So this one is stronger, it's better, and it's new. In general, the installation was easy. We had to bring a professional guy to install this one. My husband tried to install it by himself, but he was like, no, you need someone who is an expert in AC installations. You cannot install it by yourself. So be sure you are aware that you will need a professional installation. Well, guys, let's get started with the review. I am so very excited to show you all the installation, and well, let's get started. So guys, excited to welcome you to install with me my new mini split air conditioner by Costway. Guys, I will leave you all of the links down below in the description box. You're welcome to go check out Costway.com website. Oh my god, they are having every single thing, like everything you can even think of. So you're very welcome to go check them out, not just for the mini split air conditioner that I'm reviewing here today, but for any other type of furniture or any other type of, like, house appliances. They have it all. We are gonna install and review today the 12,000 BTU 20 SEER2 115 volt ductless mini split air conditioner by Costway. First of all, guys, through the link that you can find down below in the description box, you can find that this air conditioner comes in many different options. Like you can get it at 9,000, 12,000, different voltages, different powerness, and so very on. You can even order the installation service if you are located anywhere around 50 kilometers from Ontario, Canada. This AC unit is shipped in 2 different boxes, and it comes with 8 years of warranty for the compressor and 5 years for the parts to ease anyone's worries. This is a 4-in-1 design of an AC, and it has a built-in 1-ton heat pump, which provides a comfortable temperatures through the entire year, all year around, every single day for any type of a season. It has an adjustable temperature from 60 up to 90 degrees by Fahrenheit, which will suit you for comfort in just few minutes. It's suitable for various residential and light commercial applications with a coverage for up to 750 square feet. So it doesn't matter if you want to install this one in your private house, in your private apartment, or at anywhere commercial. This one will work perfectly and excellent for any type of an area, for any type of a room. It has 4 different fan speeds for you to choose from: low, medium, high, or auto fan speed. All that to meet any type of needs out there for the users. It also has an efficient golden fin, which ensures a good heat transfer performance and a long-lasting use. It has a washable filter and a self-cleaning function, which will bring you a fresh and clean air all year around, every type of a season, every single day. It works on an innovative frequency conversion technology, which saves energy and electricity for you. So it is definitely going to save some money for you, and you will see a lowered power bill. In our case, we are replacing our old AC, which is about 20 years old, into this new one. And so we already had an old AC, which was barely working in our guest room upstairs. And so we were looking for a new AC to switch, and here we are. I'm sure that we found the best option out there. This AC also has an automatic up, down, and left, right swing, which is going to promote an air circulation in the entire room. So no need to turn on your fan to circulate the air in your room. The AC is going to automatically do it all by himself. It even has a smart sense room temperature installed in. So the AC is going to automatically adjust the airflow in a smart way as well as the temperature for your personal comfort in the in-fill function. The in-fill function, that's actually the ability of the AC to fill the air and to adjust himself in a smart and intelligent way into the room temperature and into the environment conditions. This AC comes with a remote control, which is allowing you to operate the AC without any space limitations, without leaving your couch or your bed from a distance. That's definitely a helpful thing. It also has a timer, so you can choose the timer to be anywhere from half of an hour and up to 24 hours. The timer function is actually extra helpful and extra useful because sometimes you know that you want the AC gonna be shut down in the middle of the night because you don't want it to work the entire night for you. So you can absolutely program it to be shut down in, let's say, 5 hours since you fell asleep. And this is how you can wake up to the environment that will work the best for you. That's just one scenario, but obviously you are having endless possibilities and options with the timer for this AC. Also, this AC is a very low noise one, which is gonna allow you to enjoy a sweet night. So you can absolutely operate this one during the nighttime thanks to the noiseless. Like this AC, you can barely even hear it. So if you are a sensitive sleeper, the low noise operation option is definitely gonna be the best one for you. It has an ETL and AHRI certifications issued to this air conditioner, all that to ensure the safety and the durability of this type of equipment. And we paid $800 for the installation if you're curious to know how much was that. And we are extra happy with that because the AC just brought a different level of living to our life. It definitely was a must to switch our old crappy AC into a new shining and bright one. So I'm actually very happy with that. And I think that wasn't an expensive installation. So you can install this one anywhere you want, your living room, the sunroom, your dining room, your bedroom, whatever and whenever you feel like it belongs. There is no limit to your imagination. This one can work as a fan, can work as a cooling air, as an AC, as well as can work as a heater. Guys, I truly hope it was helpful for you. I truly hope you enjoyed this review of mine, Please let me know your opinion down below in the comments. Well, I personally obsessed with the new AC that we installed. It definitely works way better. It's stronger. It starts giving you the cool air immediately as you just turn it on. Once our old unit, it will take about 10 minutes before it will start actually giving you a cold air. This one works immediately. Also, obviously, it's a new AC, it's powerful, it works amazing, the heat is awesome. So basically, our second floor is all taken care, the entire floor. It's one room with a bath and a toilet, you know, in the room. So the entire floor is taking care of this one mini AC and it works amazing. Thankfully, this AC is good for up to 750 square feet and our room upstairs is a little bit smaller, so it definitely works for us. Well guys, be so very sure to check Costway out. I will leave you all of the links to this AC and to their website down below in the description box, as well as any other type of information like discount codes, promotions, sales, any possible way to save some money of yours. Well guys, thank you so much for watching this video of mine. I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO Valentine.